Alright, when getting a mullet, easiest way is to pop that backbone, run your finger or a fork down the back so you can pop that bone out, and you set that aside. Then you have the ability to get your meat all right here. Same on the other side. You have a couple of pin bones up here at the top, you have a couple of pin bones up here at the top. If you pull everything away, you'll get the meat out of it. When we're deboning it for fish spread, we actually use this process by rolling the back, pulling the meat up off of the bone, because the bones are in this spot. We do the same thing along this side. And then when you get to your rib bones, you actually can just pop them out with your finger and roll up, and you'll get all those out, and then you can pick all the meat off of the bones and eat the meat. But then everything under the bones, you get right up, and you can get all of the meat off of there. When you're doing it with the fork and knife, it is a bit slower. That way you do eat everything without getting the bones in there, but the main part is getting that backbone out.